Welcome to Kyrgyzstan. While there are many countries in the world that have beautiful nature, Kyrgyzstan's nature is just something else, on another level. This video is an accumulative of 2 days worth of driving across epic landscapes. A 1-hour drive from the capital Bishkek yields the Ala-Arka Nature Park in Tian Shan Mountains. At the park, just look at that white snow along with the mountains surrounding the stream on each side. After the Ala-Arka Nature Park, the drive continues through a winter landscape full of villages, mountains, and more mountains. We are now headed to the lake Issuk-Kul, one of the biggest lakes in all of Central Asia. As the drive gets closer to the lake, the winter landscape gives way to brown and yellowish mountain backdrops. It is incredible to see how the scenery changed rather quickly. As the drive approaches the lake, the mountains give way to a flat landscape. On the left is the lake. The sun starts to set and the drive enters a new phase, in the darkness on a bumpy, unpaved road. We finally arrive at the village of Tong, where we spend the night in a yurt. The next day, light brings vision of the lake that was shrouded before in darkness, and it reveals an inspiring scenery. The continuation of the drive the next day is parallel to the lake. A right turn sees the drive heading away from the lake and further into the mountains. The unpaved road makes the ride bumpy, but who cares? Look at the scenery. Donkeys stand on the side of the road to give us their blessings as we continue our journey. the drive continues, we reach the frozen waterfall at Barskoon Valley. The return trip sees a different route, still parallel to the lake, but with a different view. Thanks for embarking on this inspirational journey. What are some of your favorite drives?